Hello friends, today we are going to study what is Salesforce. Our first lesson in the admin part. So today's agenda, we will introduce the Salesforce, what is cloud computing, CRM, SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS. So we will see what is Salesforce, creation of developer edition account, and creation of Trailhead account. So welcome to Salesforce first. With Salesforce, you can work smarter, connect better with customer, sell more, and this is whoever does business, of course, will want that sell more and make more profit. Grow your business faster, but before you start closing more deals, you must get your business set up in Salesforce. Salesforce offers a customizable platform that you can grow with your business. Sales, you can customize, you can change some settings. Salesforce stores critical information about your customer, help you connect and close deals with new customer. You can modify the Salesforce platform to reflect how your company does business. You can add new features as you grow so that your information system is always the right size for your business. So you can customize Salesforce. So Salesforce is a cloud-based technology. It is a cloud-based and number one CRM program on the world. So wherever you are, you can connect to internet, and then with your laptop with internet, then open your account. It's just that simple. You don't need a hardware, use hardware or software. It is if you, once you have internet, your account, you can with your laptop or mobile phone or smartphone, you can use it. Salesforce is your customer success platform designed to help you sell, service, market, analyze, and connect with your customer. It was founded in 1999 by Mark Benioff. So, overview CRM means customer relationship management. How to manage your customer, how to make more profit, how to be successful, sell more. Is a strategy for managing an organization relationship and interaction with customer and potential customers. So CRM at the center, and then it has different strategies or teams, sales team, marketing team, support and feedback, and other. Example of CRM. In this example, we have marketing team, sales representative or team, customer service team. So all this like different kind of teams, they form CRM. So imagine this is a ice cream company, and it has, let's say, 50 franchises around the country. So it can, with connecting to Salesforce, in which area, like you can, who can use in that area Salesforce, who is using in each franchisor, which franchisor is making more profit, which one is not making more profit. Like you can analyze, you can check, and then you can see, make report, and then have feedback, and then analyze it, and then make decision according to your data. Benefit of CRM. What are benefits of CRM? Better client relationship. You can have better clients, not to lose them. improve ability to cross-sell, increase team collaboration, improve efficiency in serving clients, to give the, to have automation system, for example, then you will not forget, computer automatically will remind them, and great staff satisfaction, like your staff will be, it's not that difficult to use, increase revenue and profitability, so it helps you to improve, and cost savings. So what is cloud computing? Cloud computing uses remote server to store, manage, process data rather than local server personal computer. So your all information will be in cloud. So wherever you take your smartphone or laptop, so you can access wherever you are. On-demand self-service, broad network access, resource pooling, rapid elasticity. So wherever you are, if you have internet and a smartphone, then you can open your account and then work. Things mandatory for cloud computing. What is necessary? A hardware, of course, laptop, PC or mobile. An internet connection. It provides a connection to the whole process. All elements connect by a network called the internet. Server. A server is work a mandatory between your hardware and database. Database, our data stored in database in the form of a table, row and column. So server and database is related to, like, you need to open your account and then connect it and then work with your data. Like our data, which record which we enter, they go to force.com. They are being stored in that, in our org. So we have three kinds of let's open here. It moved. Services provided by cloud computing are three types. The one is software as a service, like SaaS, like Gmail, Salesforce, Amazon. So you can create account and enter. Platform as a service, sometimes this is some hardware are necessary to uh, you know to use it, like force.com. And infrastructure as a service also, it's a uh, hardware is necessary most of the time. So which one is easy and practical is, and which one is Salesforce? In Salesforce is a software as a service, and we prefer this one because it's easy and simple to use. I mean, it's practical. Wherever you are, you can use it. So these are the three types cloud service models, like SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS, infrastructure network architects, server storage network. This is maybe you don't need internet to use in this one, and this one you need application. Like you have a CD, you need to install with the CD, and then you can use it, like application developers, like some games or some application, or for example, if you want to use one dictionary. So if you want to use a dictionary, you need to have to install it and use it. But end users in SaaS, like Gmail, you don't need to have a hardware or a CD to install it. You just create your account and use it. Platform as a service, like Force.com, is a cloud-based platform where you can develop cloud-based application and website. Force.com. Force.com is a platform as a service, but Salesforce, which use Force.com, is a SaaS. It's a service as a Salesforce, like it is a SaaS, software as a service. Gmail, Facebook, Salesforce. SaaS is a software distribution model in which applications are hosted by a vendor or service provider, make customer available for over the internet. You don't need to install. You create, you sign up, and then you use it. This part is really very important. Salesforce is a multi-tenant architecture environment. Means multiple Salesforce users store their data on the same cloud, but in their own space. What does it mean? Your dedicated space share resources for water, power, and building maintenance. This building has probably has one hose water coming from the municipal, right? And one pipe. And all this pipe, water or energy, it is distributed among all these rooms. So it means each room pays according to their size, like 1, 2, triple one, double one, single rooms. According to their budget, they pay and they stay. So this room, for example, this first flat cannot use all the resources. Like all water, if they use it, then the others, they will not have enough water. So, or energy. If they use all energy, then the rest will suffer. Means like they have to share. And then for this, Salesforce puts some limits. We call them governor limit. And governor limits are good because for this one not to suffer, you know, then they have governor limit to balance, and then the work works smoothly. So means Salesforce users store their data on the same cloud. So the benefit. Governor limits, I already mentioned that Salesforce.com has created a set of limits which governs and limits the code execution so that no one monopolizes the resource. Like to monopolize means to get all of them in one hand. Whenever any of the governor limit are crossed, it will throw an arrow and will halt the execution of program. So it will give an error and will not run. So you should, in the future, you are going to learn the governor limits, and then you will not pass the governor limit. Magic of metadata. Metadata is data about data. Basically, the data which you enter, it is your metadata. IT allows each customer to customize their own instance of Salesforce. Like IT people allows each customer to customize their own instance of Salesforce. So Salesforce is a really customizable not platform, is service. So you can customize according to your business requirements. All the standard and custom configuration functionality and code in your org are metadata. Just because all the standard and custom configuration functionality and code in your org are metadata. Configuration functionality code. Now, this is important, this metadata. Sometimes we get confused. So standard and custom configuration functionality and code in your org or metadata. There are different clouds in Salesforce. Some of them are this one, like different more popular Sales Cloud, Service Cloud. Sales is like mostly about account, opportunity leads. Service is mostly based case management, contexts, and marketing cloud, community cloud, IoT cloud. These are the some different Salesforce cloud. And then there are two parts of Salesforce. One is admin, the other one is development. Admin, functionality of software which is already developed. In admin, we can create some conditional basis automation. So admin part is already arranged for us. It is already developed. We don't need to create some uh, codes. Development part is a programming. Like admin is a declarative. Development is a programming part. Declarative part. Development is a programming part in Salesforce. We have created extra functionality which is not given by Salesforce, like development part, which you write code and then do your work. Types of environment. Different types of environment in Salesforce. So we have production environment. This is the main live one. Salesforce environment that has active paying users accessing business critical data. If a company has this, means which they are working on it. There is no any, like if it is original and the latest form of the org. Development environment, Salesforce.com environments where you can extend, integrate, develop on Force.com without affecting your production environment. So you can develop your codes, try them, test them, and then if they are working 100%, then you deploy them. You can work on development environment, you can change, it doesn't affect production environment. Test environment, this can be production or development environments, especially used for testing application functionality before deploying to production or releasing to customer. What we normally do we test in development part. So if my code are working or no. I'm going to show you the website of the where we can create our first let's create our first developer edition. Classic, we have to creating I'm going to just mention here, but in our next video, I don't want to take long, we are going to go to developer.salesforce.com and then sign up. We will see this page and then create it. Don't worry, we will create in our next video. We have two kind of Salesforce user interface are two types, classic and lightning. Older user experience, modern, and lightning is a modern one, the latest one. Trailhead. So for Trailhead, this is a platform when you practice, you learn a lot about Salesforce. So for this, you need to sign up to Trailhead and then go to Trails, Trail Mix and Projects. This is our coming videos. We are going to mention about Trailhead. Trailhead is a good platform to learn new things, practice, and perform good things in the website so you can learn. Thank you very much.